Dr. Eleanor Finch was a renowned scientist, known for her groundbreaking work in genetic engineering. Her laboratory was a place of controlled chaos, vials and petri dishes strewn about, interspersed with stacks of scholarly journals. One unremarkable Tuesday, she found herself working late into the night, experimenting with a radical new combination of DNA sequences. She had no idea that this would be the night she changed the world. As the clock struck midnight, Eleanor injected the latest sequence into a culture medium. She noted the reaction and, with tired eyes, prepared to record the last set of observations for the day. Suddenly, the medium began to glow, casting an eerie blue light across the dimly lit lab. Eleanor's heart pounded in her chest as she watched the cells move with purpose, more rapidly than ever before. Within minutes, a microscopic form began to take shape. She leaned in, holding her breath, as tiny tendrils sprouted and intertwined, forming what looked eerily like a primitive organism. For the next few hours, Eleanor documented every detail. She debated whether to call her colleagues but decided against it. This discovery was too momentous to share until she fully understood it. As dawn broke, Eleanor realized she had accomplished something unfathomable: she had accidentally created life. Over the next weeks, Eleanor studied the new organism intensively. It grew exponentially, evolving in complexity each day. She named it Genesis, as it seemed to be the beginning of something entirely new. She soon realized that Genesis had unique properties: a resilience to harsh conditions and an ability to adapt at an astonishing rate. Word eventually got out, and Eleanor's lab became a focal point for global scientific communities. Ethical debates raged while governments jockeyed for control. Eleanor found herself in the eye of a storm, being hailed as both a genius and a reckless scientist. Yet, amidst the chaos, she continued her work, driven by curiosity and a sense of responsibility for what she had created. One evening, as Eleanor observed Genesis, now visible to the naked eye, she pondered the implications of her creation. Would Genesis pave the way for medical breakthroughs, or would it become a cautionary tale of hubris and unintended consequences? Only time would tell, but one thing was certain: the world would never be the same.